if you're still designing, building, or upgrading spaces without the right tools. You're wasting time, money, and square footage. Missed deadlines, manual measurement errors, cluttered apartments, overpriced renovations, smart home gadgets that don't actually improve your workflow. Architecture students struggle with inefficient tools. Contractors lose profit through small mistakes. Small apartment owners feel trapped in tight layouts. It doesn't have to be that way. Welcome to ArchiTechFinds, where architecture meets intelligent technology. We don't promote random gadgets. We break down tools, smart home systems, and space-saving innovations that actually improve workflow precision, efficiency, modern living. Whether you use SketchUp, AutoCAD, or manage real construction projects, this channel is built for you. Every tool we feature answers 5 questions. What problem does it solve? How does it improve efficiency? Who actually needs it? Is it worth the investment? And how does it upgrade your space? No hype, no gimmicks, just smarter solutions for modern builders and homeowners. If you are an architecture student who wants smarter design tools, a contractor who values precision, a SketchUp or AutoCAD user optimizing workflow, a smart home buyer who wants functional upgrades, a small apartment owner maximizing space, you are in the right place. This channel isn't about pushing products. It's about helping you make informed decisions. We earn only when you find value. That means trust comes first. If you care about building smarter, designing cleaner, and living more efficiently, subscribe, because every week, we bring you tools and upgrades that actually make a difference. Welcome to ArchiTechFinds.